Hello everyone, welcome to video number 12 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners on being civil. In the previous 11 videos, we have learned all this. Those who have not watched the videos, go watch it first and come back to this video number 12. In this video, we will learn how to know if a member in STAAD is a beam member or column member. So as per STAAD, if a member lies on the XZ plane, then it is a beam member. So these members are beam members, and if a member is parallel to Y axis, then it is called column member. So these are column members. So let's start coding. So first you have to declare the variable. Member number is a long type variable, and the OpenSTAAD function to know if the member is a beam is your OpenSTAAD object dot geometry dot is beam, and then you have to pass the member number. Let's assign some value to this member number, say 112. So it is a beam type variable. So let's show the result in a message box. So as it is a beam type variable, so the isBeam function will return true. So it is showing true. Now the 102, let's change it to 102. So it is showing false. Similarly to know the member is a column, you have to write down is column. Let's comment this line. So 102 is a column, it is showing true. Now there may be case that column is not parallel to Y axis. See, in this structure the column 47 is not parallel to Y axis, has some inclination angle, and this member 70 is not lying in the XZ plane, it is an inclined beam. So for these cases there is an option to give the tolerance angle. So let's change it to 70, and if you run this code, it is showing false because this is not lying in the XZ plane. So you have to give some tolerance angle, up to which angle you will consider this as a beam. So let's write down 15. So up to 50-degree inclination, the members will be treated as beam. So if you run this code now, it will return true. Similarly for 47, if you run, the isColumn function will return false. Let's change the inclination angle to 10 degree and run this code, it will return true. So I hope you understand the logic behind this. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.